This 2015 Thor PALAZZO 36.1 is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor is 37 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 8, awning, water heater, LP detector, air conditioning, microwave, refrigerator, smoke detector, slide-out, auxiliary battery, stove-top burner, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front bath, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment. This 2015 Thor PALAZZO 36.1 is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.